Well, hello, and welcome back to another incredible episode of Thrift Twists, the place where we go into our favorite secondhand shops on the hunt for inspiration and then head back home and make something very beautiful. I can't wait to see what we're going to make today. Let's go. Oh, wow, you guys. Look at this. It is a beautiful freaking vase. Look at that. Is this metal? No, it's like some sort of ceramic, but absolutely gorgeous. I love this so much. The shape of the vase is already very interesting, but the fact that it already has this beautiful design on it makes it so cool. How much is this? Let me flip it around, you guys. So $3.99, and it's a pretty good size vase. I love that. I love this. This would be good as is. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm also really digging these frames here, because this is just freaking beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's actually made out of metal. Do you feel that? Do you feel that? I love how I said, do you guys feel it? $6.99 for this. $6.99. And I'm looking at this, and they also have this frame. The texture on that is beautiful. $6.99. Sorry, you guys had to flip that upside down. It is a crazy show in the freaking Goodwill today, but I really, really love this frame. Oh, so close to picking it up, but I think I'm gonna go without. Okay, you guys, it is loud, but you know what's going on. Take a look at this frame, I think. I think it's supposed to be a frame. She is heavy. Let me get this down. She's pretty heavy. Sorry, you guys, trying to film this. But it's the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I've never seen anything with this shape or design. I wonder if these can be taken apart. Obviously, you know, as a DIYer, that's what I'm considering is like, can something like this be taken apart? Let's see what the price is on it. Okay. Oh, Lord. One-handed Nancy here. $4.99. Freaking beautiful. I love this. I don't know what I'm thinking about doing with this, but whatever it is, I think it could be pretty darn cool. Oh my gosh. Hold on, wait, is this somebody's DIY? Because I see this little 3M. Okay, you guys, sorry. I'm lost over here trying to pay attention to this dang thing, but I'm just wondering if these are 3 separate pieces. Oh, I don't know. I might have to pick this one up, you guys, just if for no other reason, because I think it's super, super cool. And I think that there's stuff that I could definitely do with it. Oh my goodness. Let's do it. Now, I always love when I see little greenery pieces and stuff like this. So they're trying to get $3.99, and it's this like faux onion grass situation. It's coming in this. I wonder if this was meant to be like this or if this is someone's DIY. Either way, you could certainly take it apart and pull the grass out and then just have the glass. So that's really cool. I'm also noting this here, which is also kind of like a faux grass situation in this kind of metal tin. Interesting, and that one's $3.99. How much was this? Also $3.99. Interesting, you guys. Very cool. Now this is interesting, you guys, because I'm pretty sure that this is a bundt cake mold for $3.99, but it forces me to wonder, are there DIYs that we could be doing with this bundt cake mold? I don't know. Like, could I turn this into a fountain? Could I make some sort of lamp out of it? I don't know. I like the structure and the design of it. Let me know if you guys can think of any DIYs that we could do with a bundt cake mold, because I'm interested in maybe seeing if I could do a little flip-flap with that. Okay, come to the front of the class, my yarny friends. I just ducked down and saw this tote filled with yarn. Now what, oh, is this wool? Okay, oh Lord Jesus, let me not touch that, y'all. I'm allergic to wool. Oh, this is all wool. $10.99 for some of these bundles. I don't know what the names of them are. You guys see me touching it pretty ginger here, but it's like a whole bucket of wool yarn. Now I see these bundles are like $11. Let me know if you're a yarny person, if that seems like a high thing or a low thing. Let's keep looking. Okay, you guys. Is it just me, or when I roll up on stuff like this at the Goodwill, am I like forced to have to open it up? So it looks like this cool case. Let's see what's in here. Oh geez, nothing. That's hilarious. That is hilarious. It looks like it was one of those cases that held like paint brushes or like some sort of an art set. I wonder if this part comes out. Oh, it does. It does, you guys. Interesting. So this part, this kind of plastic piece would come out, and then you'd have this like, oh, they only went $2.99 for it. This cool little set that you could put a little layer on the inside. Oh, that's got me feeling some sort of way, you guys, but I like that. Let me know if you expected to see something else entirely inside of there. So this is our inspiration piece. Let's head home and see what we come up with. So this is the piece that we are going to use for today's DIY, and it is some sort of 3-part frame, and we're going to go ahead and pull the glass out and prep this for spray painting. So the next thing we're going to use for this DIY is going to be one of these leftover planters I had from some other project. And I'm just going to go ahead and cover up the foam, or the styrofoam, if you will, so that when I spray paint this, it doesn't melt. So I'm going to go ahead and just spray paint both the frame and our planter black. So the next thing I'm going to do is get our planter together. So I just grabbed this little piece of greenery that I had. And then what I'm going to do is take some of those kind of aquarium rocks from the Dollar Tree and glue them down to kind of cover up that busted green and make this kind of all cohesive when I'm done. So the frame came with both a glass piece and a backing for each of the 3 sections. We are not going to use the glass, but we are going to use the back of one of those sets. And we're going to go ahead and glue that back inside of our frame so that it doesn't move around. Now we are going to apply a generous amount of hot glue and place our planter on that frame backing. So now I'm going to take 2 stemless wine glasses that I did pick up from Dollar Tree, and we are going to attach those to our frame utilizing E6000 and a bit of hot glue. Just a quick little tip, these glasses did have a sticker at the bottom. How I get my stickers off are I just kind of score it and then hit it with an alcohol prep pad, and that sticker residue comes right off. I'm loving this thrift flip. I took a piece that was $3.99 and a couple of glasses from the Dollar Tree and turned this into something that feels high-end to me. This was an under $10 flip, and I personally think it was worth every penny.